Flying drones is a heap of fun for you, but not necessarily for others. No one wants a drone buzzing around them without permission. The same goes for flying over private property. So stay away, unless the owners say it's okay. It's the same with public parks and reserves. Check with the local council that drones are allowed. Even then, stay well away from people and don't fly directly over them, unless they say it's okay. Also, keep a safe distance away from buildings. That's to prevent damage and protect privacy. Be considerate when flying your drone. That's how you fly the right way.